Hello, my name is Saanvi, and here I'm going to teach you how to make a fountain experiment. Over here, first I simply took a jug, I mixed some paint with it, any colour allowed, for I did blue, a watercolour. Shake and mix, then ask your adult to keep this in there and then get a hole made. And then measure how tall this is. Make a circle there with any pen. Ask your adult to make a hole there. Push the straw through and simply next you put this in there. And now the step is to blow up a balloon. You may need somebody to help you, and then you simply attach. You may need somebody to help you attach the top on. Attach the top on and just see the results.
Wow.
Checking, look. If you squeeze a little, it will come out faster, which would make you do a lot of fun.